Hello, beautiful people. Please read the disclaimer. Shalom, money makers. You probably had been thinking to yourself over the last week, what happened to Avi? Where is he? He was in Singapore and he made videos. He was in Thailand and he made videos. What happened to him? Did something happen? Everything that's happened over the past few years. I know a lot of you were concerned. No, it was just the website here decided to put me on a week pause because of a video that I uploaded a week ago. And I think it was, I was watching this clip that I think that the AI thought it was a little bit risque. And so that happened. It's not just me, other people, other channels are experiencing similar things that are happening now. It seems that there has been a shift. So I am going to shift the way that I create content for the time being, because now I have 3 months that I can't get another one, or I'll have a 2-week vacation. And if it happens again, I'll have my channel taken away. So we're going to have to be very careful. You're going to see a lot more of my beautiful face, a little bit less of showing other stuff. So I'm going to read you some things instead of showing you things. Maybe you're going to like that type of content, and maybe not. That's going to be up to you. Hopefully you'll continue to watch my videos. I'll try to be, I give all the disclaimers, and I try to keep people from getting hurt. But it's what, it is what it is. Something that I realized is that my only outlet to you is YouTube, right? So I'm going to start an email list, and I'll put the link in the description down below. You can sign up to the email list. And now you don't have to do the second part, right? You can just put your email in, and then if anything happens, I can continue to create videos. I'll send it through the email list, okay? But the second part is I decided I want to, we have the amazing Avi 1348 EMA, right? I decided I want to give that, right, as people that sign up using one of my links, right? So I'll have all that in the description down below. You can check it out. I already put it on Twitter and people were like, is it the real Avi? I don't want to click on any links. So it was actually me. Follow me on Twitter as well. I might be doing dual uploads. We'll upload on Twitter as well. Because I don't know, they changed the algorithm here. People's channels are getting, caught in this AI thing. And so we'll see. I have to be, I don't know if it's something that I say or something that I put in the title or something that I put in the thumbnail. So you're just going to have to see a lot of me. Hopefully you enjoy seeing a lot of me in my beautiful studio, at least, right? The beautiful blues behind me. But it's an interesting day because after a week being on vacation, basically it was a real vacation. Because when I was in Thailand, I was, creating videos, still creating videos, talking to you guys. I was with the kids a lot. And this was maybe the first week ever that I've experienced how my life as a retired person would be, right? Like if I would retire now and just do stuff, and, and to tell you the truth, it was exactly the same. I was doing the exact same things. I was still, looking at the market and what was happening. I was still on X. I was still trading a little bit. The only thing I wasn't doing is making the videos, right? So someone that tells me, well, Avi, you're so it was interesting. It was an interesting kind of enlightenment moment to understand to myself that basically I am already kind of sort of retired. But I'm still creating and still, doing and answering emails and all that. So it's still like a job, right? So that was a very interesting enlightenment that I experienced this week. I got back to the gym. Do I look a little bit more slimmer? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe in the face a little bit. I don't know. And today we have the FOMC decision. This is interesting because not a lot happens over the week for the things that we talk about. We did see other ETFs that started trading, right? But the one that we were hoping for didn't happen. And it's going to be very interesting to see if in the next coming days we get any update on that. Currently, the probabilities are telling us that the Fed is going to reduce interest rate again. This is what the market is thinking. This is what the market wants. This is what the market needs. And it will be very interesting to see what he says, okay? Because we're in a situation where we know that he is going to reduce the interest rates. Then the market looks at this situation and says, okay, this is a known factor. Now we look at what is unknown, right? And what is unknown is what he's going to say. And if he's very bullish on the markets, then not on the market, on the US and the outlook, then the market could react in a bullish manner. But if he's negative and he's saying, well, we still don't know, maybe we will, maybe we won't, right? If there's uncertainty, then the market might go in the opposite direction. There's only a few days left for October, and it was not the October that we were hoping for. It was actually the opposite, I think, in many senses. Let me know in the comment section, how are you feeling after, I know October is not over, and maybe today changes a lot of things, and maybe 2 days we know can change everything on a month ratio. But let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think we're going to have a similar November to last year, where October was very disappointing, but then November was a lot better? Or are we going to see, the end of the year continue to be sluggish? Because the stock market is at all-time highs and continues to show great strength. And I don't know if you've seen NVIDIA is partnering with tons of companies. It's almost at, I think, 5 trillion maybe market cap for NVIDIA. So just crazy numbers. I just wanted to, it's almost at 5 trillion. So at a market cap for NVIDIA, that's kind of crazy. So we'll see what happens in the market in the next coming weeks. But again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Understand that the markets are very volatile. They can go up and down on a message from the Fed, a message from the president. We don't know what's going to happen. So please stay safe out there. And hopefully I don't, have any more of these vacations, all right? I'll be very, very careful. And this is the situation that we are in right now. So if you want to support the channel, the websites that I mentioned, I'll put it in the description and in the linked comment, and then you can support that way. Hopefully, we can continue to give you updates. And if it does happen, so this week I decided to take the vacation just to clear my head a little bit, because really I didn't take a vacation when I was, abroad. But I will, if it happens again, I will upload on other platforms. So you're going to want to follow me. I'll also put my X account here in the description. So follow me on those if you haven't. If you're only following me here, that we've seen that this might be an issue. So follow me on Twitter or X, and the form in the description down below. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Right? Let's hope. Right. And you know what? I don't know if it's my catchphrase. So you know what? We're gonna lower the things. I'm scared a little bit to upload this video even. I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Hopefully everything is okay. Okay. So I'll see you next time.